Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of October 11th through the 17th. This week I'm using this kit from Planner Problem called Trick or Treat. I think it's super cute and definitely very Halloween-y. Obviously, this page has a ton of boxes and useful things, but it is not enough for everything that I need to plan. So I also pulled out some extras. Washi, I pulled out these 3 from Dollar Tree and these 2 from Amazon. I think my plan is to use the purple one and then these 2 orange ones. And then I'll save the black for another week, I think. And then I also pulled out these 2, I believe are from Meyer. And then this one is from Michaels, as is this one. My plan, I think, will be to use this one. Like goes really well color wise, but like theme, I don't know. There are kind of like gem like things in those 2 though. I kind of want to use it though. All right, I think I'm gonna use these 2 as my bottom washi. It's gonna be my plan. So I'm gonna lay all these down. A couple of these boxes I didn't trim great, but I think once they're laying down it's gonna be fine. So I'm just gonna run with it for all of that stuff too. Yeah, I think that pretty well summarizes it. I pulled some stuff from my stash as well to help. But I think to get started, I'm going to do all the boring bits. I have a slice tool, my Tombow, and I think that I'm ready to go. And then I'll be back in a minute to do the interesting bits. All right, there we go. I think it's looking pretty good. I don't know if you guys can tell, but there's a couple of spots where my nails decided to shed onto the page. Sorry if you can hear my cat. He has a lot to say tonight. I'm hoping that the stickers will cover that up and that hopefully that won't be an issue. Otherwise, I guess I have extra white out. I just did my nails tonight, which is also why they probably don't look amazing. Anyway, so for the full boxes, there's definitely these 2 purple. And then I feel like these are the 2 darkest black. And then I feel like those 2 go together, which leaves these 2 as the remaining 2, I guess, which don't seem to have natural pairs. So I'm going to put this one as my quote box because I like the spooky vibes of it. There we go. And then, excuse me. Goodness. Okay. And then this one is going to be my middle box here. There we go. That's not perfectly straight. I'm just gonna leave it because I'm too lazy to fix it. All right. I guess I'm gonna do these guys next. Like a lot of black backgrounded things. I mean, it's a Halloween kit, so not surprising, but I kind of want to like split it up as much as possible. Oh, the cat found his toy again, so I guess he'll be occupied. This one I think is my favorite box because I love cats. I'm gonna stick that one right here. The cute little ghosts. I'm gonna go right here. And then since I don't want the ghosts next to each other, might be like too much ghosting, you know? I don't know, whatever. Why are these scrippies stuck to me? Okay, I'm gonna stick this one here. And then I'm gonna take the pumpkins and I'm gonna stick them right here. All right, that looks really cute. I like it. I'm leaving it. Done. For the sidebar, what I think I'm gonna do, and it seems kind of weird, but I might do it anyway. I want to bring this color in. Yeah, I think I do. I have this like lime green washi, also from Amazon, just like the purple one. And like, there's not that often that there's lime green, but it like matches the eyeballs pretty perfectly. And this color is not that far off either. So I'm gonna use that for the sidebar. So I'm gonna stick some down. And then I have in my leftovers this guy, which is from Planner One Love. Do I have a header that I feel like needs to go with it? Cat would like some attention. It's fine. He gets attention all day, every day. I don't have any that I like, so I'm just going to ignore it. I'm going to put that down right here. I think this is going to be for Pepper's teeth because I'm just going to keep tracking that. He would really like my attention. So if you hear him in the background, I'm sorry. But it is what it is, you know? If any of you have cats, you will also completely understand. I'm trying to see if I have like a tooth that kind of goes with the vibes. There's a little gray paw print that would work. Is there anything in the pink? There's that like pink paw print, but that's so light. There's that tooth, but that's also so light. I'm gonna just use this one. This is a leftover from I don't know where, but I'm gonna use it right here because it's cute. There we go. Oh goodness, okay. Next, I'm gonna stick another row of this washi. I left my slice tool open, not sure that was the smartest, but that happens, that's fine. And then I also have a leftover here from our previous kit. Again, can't remember where this one came from. But this is gonna track, I think, dinners for the week. I feel like that's gonna work out well. And then another strip of green washi. I feel like I'll have to use this color elsewhere at some point, just to kind of like continue it, but I think it looks cute, so that's what I'm using. And then I didn't actually pull anything else for here. Let me see what I have in seasonal. I did like pull out my fall things. These are like kind of small. I feel like this girl's really cute, but she doesn't go at all. It's not really the right size. All right, I got nothing in there. The other one that I could pull from, I have this Happy Planner book that I got out to use. Looking for black things. I don't want to bring in any foil, which I think is going to be the challenge here, because I think most of the black things in here are foiled. This is very important. What if I just use this? Perfect. All right. I'm gonna use this one. Gonna line it up on the left. There we go. Perfect. And then I really need like a really skinny washi, but I don't have it, so I'm just gonna leave that as is, and that's gonna be my sidebar. I think that's really cute. For the weekly plans, I want to go a little cheeky and I pulled out these Avery pumpkin carving stickers from Creative Cavern Studio, and I'm going to use these for work this week. Obviously, I don't carve pumpkins for a living. I'm not particularly talented pumpkin carver, to be honest. But you know, there's jack-o'-lanterns in the kit. It just feels right. So that's what I'm gonna do. I just pulled 2 extras here while I have them. Just stick them on my hand. Then I want to pull. Maybe I'm gonna pull. Let's see. This guy. Sure, why not? I'm gonna pull this little guy right here. And this is gonna be for my plan with me. Did manage to successfully pull the stickers for that. It's not like a lot of red in here, so I'm gonna use these Piper Paper Company cameras. As I've mentioned in previous videos, I do have a 20% off coupon code down below for Piper Paper Company. If you use it, I do get some store credit back so that I can keep buying her products and keep using them in my videos. Absolutely no pressure either way, but it's there if you want it. So I'm going to put that down. Then, is this the right sticker book? It is not the right sticker book. Of course, I grabbed the wrong one. Give me 1 second. I grabbed this Happy Planner book, forgetting that this one has a sticker that would be perfect. So I have an eye appointment scheduled on Monday, just a routine. Need to get my eyes checked, and then also because our DMV is closed, you have to get checked elsewhere and then send in your paperwork. So there's these glasses icons in this Happy Planner book, and I feel like they're perfect for this. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna kind of like stick it out of the row a little. There we go. That's all I have for Monday. I think Dave has an ambulance shift. Not totally sure. Whatever. I'll figure that out. Tuesday, other than work, I don't have anything planned. Same for Wednesday. It's just kind of is what it is kind of situation. Thursday and Friday, I have my like little work sticker guys here. Like so. I also don't have anything planned those days. I am going to pull in another one of these quarter boxes though. On Friday. That's like not at all centered, so that's great. Let's see if I can get it like even remotely centered. Good enough. And another Piper Paper Company icon. I don't know what video this is going to be. You'll know because it'll be up before this video is up. But I don't know what it is. Saturday and Sunday, I've got nothing planned right now, and honestly, that sounds amazing. So obviously, lots of boxes and stuff left here. Flags, the solid color ones and these black and white striped ones, I feel like are the easiest to use as leftovers. So I'm definitely going to make sure to use the patterned ones or the other patterned ones, I guess, and then incorporate the solids to kind of like mix in to that a little bit. But I think I have a good start to the week. Still fairly empty, but that's pretty typical. But I think I have some good information. So stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spread. All right, here is the finished spread. It's super cute. I love how it turned out. If I don't mention it, it came from the kit from Planner Problem. I do have a few flags and a few boxes left over from that kit that I will throw in my leftovers, but I did use a pretty good chunk of it. This washi and this washi both came from Amazon, and then these 2 washis came from Dollar Tree. This is Michael's, and then this one I'm guessing is from Meyer, but not totally sure. I got that as a gift. The habit tracker is from Planner One Love, and then this is a leftover, not sure where it's from. This is also a leftover, I think, from Creative Cavern Studio, and then this comes from a Happy Planner book. These are all Creative Cavern Studio, Piper Paper Company, Happy Planner, Happy Planner, Happy Planner, Happy Planner, Prairie Planner, Agenda 52 book from Hobby Lobby, Piper Paper Company. This is from a American Crafts kit. Happy Planner, Happy Planner, Happy Planner. Wonton in a Million with Craftsmith, Prairie Planner, Piper Paper Company, Creative Cavern Studio, Creative Cavern Studio, Creative Cavern Studio, Creative Cavern Studio. And then this one and then this one are also from that Agenda 52 book from Hobby Lobby. So really tried to use the kit as much as possible and then pulled in a few extras, a lot of which came from Creative Cavern Studio for whatever reason this week. But I think it turned out pretty cute. As always, like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It really helps me out. Follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz to see in progress and finished spreads. I tag all the shops, all that good stuff. And let me know below what you're excited about for Halloween and what you're going to be for Halloween. I definitely want to know and hear about that as well. And until next time, bye.